Let's see in this video how to remove Apple AirTag plastic. Just unpack your AirTags box and pull out an AirTag. Now pick your AirTag and see on the top side an arrow icon appear. Just pull it to remove adhesive and then roll up it to the front side. Now on at last, a plastic not easily remove, pull it above side and so that you will listen sound from your AirTag. And now you can set up your AirTag with your Apple device. Before AirTag setup, there are several hints that you should follow so you can set up your AirTag without any error. You can get a link in the video description below. In more, you can also get on the above video card. I hope this video found helpful. Give thumbs up to this video and share it with others. Thanks for watching.